welcome back. So today we are working on the track R53 again to bring you guys all up to speed in case if you missed it. I actually sold this car to my friend Zach. I'll pop his Instagram up for the car here, and it needs brakes and strut tops today, so that's what we're gonna go ahead and do. But I thought I'd make a video on it since you guys love the R53s and probably miss this car. So let's get to it.
I've been up for 3 nights. My eyes are bloodshot red. Damn, I wanna see the sunshine. It's getting to my head. One look in the mirror, don't like what I find. I know that somewhere in there there's a good guy, but he runs away at midnight. I'm sorry that I stole your car. Ain't got those tattoos on my arms that don't mean shit to me. Maybe you should pull the alarm, so I don't take it way too far. Die before I'm 23. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom. My siblings are perfect and I wish I were the same. Making bad decisions, it should be my middle name. I love playing with fire, it's my favorite. Watch me burn my whole house down, not feel a thing. One look in the mirror, don't like what I find. I know that somewhere in there there's a good guy, but he runs away at midnight. I'm sorry that I stole your car. Ain't got those tattoos on my arms that don't mean shit to me. Maybe you should pull the alarm, so I don't take it way too far. Die before I'm 23. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom.
Well, this is what happens when I'm out of my medicine. There's collateral damage, I gotta go.
I'm sorry that I stole your car. Ain't got those tattoos on my arm.
So the last thing I'm gonna undo is the brake line, just so we don't leak too much. The goal is to leak as minimal as possible. So I'm gonna set everything up and then take off that line. So hopefully that goes smooth. Okay. So I got these brakes that we're putting on from the junkyard. I found a mini in there that, see, I can't multitask apparently. Lining things up is hard. I found a mini in there that had them, and I was like, I don't know what car I need these for, but I need them. So that's how I got them.
Let me take you for a ride, dancing with the lights. Our hearts beating like a drum tonight. Let me take you for a ride, for a ride. Crazy, my baby, dancing with the lights. Together we could chase the sun.
faking, but seeing ain't believing. I know now. I take all your stupid, burn it as my fuel, yeah. 'Cause we're running out of time, so I'm gonna make it mine.
The chosen one, I'm not the one to underestimate. I want the throne, I loan the crush, obstruction, rush through barricades, levitate. Got it tatted on me, told them follow me. They see the vision, now it's 2020, clear as Tahoe laces, clear as day. No longer move around in fear, disarray. Pray you hear me like the winter wind against your window pane. Feel the bass, baby, soak it in and let it marinate. It's time to hustle, gotta muscle up and run through barricades, yeah. Obstruction, rush through barricades, levitate. Got it tatted on me, told them follow me. They see the vision, now it's 2020, clear as Tahoe laces, clear as day. No longer move around in fear, disarray. Pray you hear me like the winter wind against your window pane.
So that is a wrap for Zach's R53. Super excited. Big break. GCW brake kit installed. Rear pads and rotors are done. Top hats are done. Super easy, super simple, super awesome. I am so stoked for him to have this car up and going. That is it for this video. Peace out, and I will catch you in the next one.